Okay, so let's set up the partial fraction for this. It'll be a over s plus b over s squared plus c over s minus 1 plus d over s minus 1 squared. So we gotta combine all of this. Right, the common base will be s squared and s minus 1 squared. Okay, so a would have to be multiplied by an s and an s minus 1 squared. B multiplied by an s minus 1 squared. C multiplied by a s and s minus 1. D s squared. Okay. Alright, so a s times by, you get s squared minus 2s plus 1. Okay, so let me actually just multiply this in, and you get, okay, s cubed minus 2s squared and minus, plus s. That's what we get. Okay, with b, s squared minus 2s plus 1. C, s squared minus s, and ds squared. All of it with the same thing. And now let's collect the s cubed. Okay, so then we get for s cubed only a. Okay, so s cubed is only a. Now with s squared we have minus 2a, a b, and a c, and a d. Okay, so there's 4 of them. So minus 2a plus b plus c plus d. Okay, that's for s squared. Now for s, just for s, okay, this is a minus 2b, a minus c. Alright, so s, okay, so a minus 2b, a minus c. Okay, and then for constant, there's one constant. This one here multiplied with b, so just a b. Okay, with the same thing at the bottom. So let's compare that with what we have initially. So it's actually 1 over the entire thing. So that makes b, okay, b here 1. And everything else has to be 0. So a must be 0. Okay, so we just found a and b. This also must be 0. A minus 2b minus c must be 0. A is 0. B must be 1. So we have a minus 2 minus c is equal to 0, which makes c equal to negative 2. Okay, a, b, c. And then d. Okay, for d we can find from here. So we get a b is equal to 1. C is negative 2 plus d is equal to 0. Negative 1, so d must equal to 1. Okay? Alright, so now we can integrate. Let me zoom out one more time. Okay, maybe one more time. So this is what we originally had. Okay, so now we can say the integration, a was 0. A was 0, so that's gone. B was 1, so we have 1 over s squared. Okay, and then c was negative 2. So we get a negative 2 over s minus 1. And d is 1, so 1 over s minus 1 squared. Okay, so let's find the antiderivative. The antiderivative of 1 over s squared is minus 1 over s. This is going to be minus 2 over ln of absolute value of s minus 1. That's going to be minus 1 over s minus 1. Okay, plus constant at the end, of course. Okay, so that's our antiderivative.